inside your mannequin. Go. Ayan. Alright. So, we'll first have these two ladies to battle it off. Okay? So, mangyayari, we have our roulette. So, tatlo po yung team natin. Miss Belle, you're gonna be picking those three themes. So, date night, Aaron Cutie, main character energy. So, in my count, the both of you, so we'll go with the both of you first, you will have to pick from the rack. Ano yung look kapag ito yung theme ng outfit natin na ibibigay ni Belle? So, are you ready to style up your mannequin? Again?
Yeah!
I love it! Let's go! So, Belle, ano po yung first theme natin?
Okay, let's go with main character.
Main character energy, go! Pick out your looks. So, while they are picking that out, again, yung buong collection na pipili nila, the outfits that they will be picking out will be from this collection. May time limit din po tayo, so bilisan natin with our main character energy look. Alright. So, I think my favorite is the tayo sa isang dress natin here. So, I guess you can tell us bakit po ito yung pinili mong look for main character energy.
Well, since this is Shein and Del Mariano, and she's wearing it right now, and she's the main character, y'all. So this is why this is my chosen dress for the main character category. I think she needs.
I love it! Bigyan ng corona! Period! Ano masasabi mo sa pinili niya?
My main character energy rin siya. I love it.
Diba? Diba? Bagay yung tema sa kanya.
Super, I love it. And I think she's made a great decision.
Exactly. Exactly. So go ahead and dress up your mannequin while we ask you now. For contest number 2, ito yung pinili mong outfit. Why is this that you feel like this is my main character energy dress?
It's very simple, but it's very elegant, and then it's giving very money time. Old money fashion. That's a trend now, no? Old money fashion, right? Oh, I love it too. I love this dress so much kasi you can pair it off now with this white heels, simple, talagang ganda-ganda, and red lips, ganda-ganda. Yes.
Thank you so much. So go ahead and dress up your mannequin while we go on and ask them for our second theme na sa roulette natin. Ano yung pipili mo from the categories? And our two lovely ladies here will be ready to dress them up.
Okay, let's go for Erin Cutie.
Erin Cutie!
Para makita natin yung difference sa main character and sa Erin Cutie.
Okay, let's go. Erin Cutie picks. What is your Erin Cutie outfit? Wala po yung budget, ha? Bakit isa-isa lang pinipili nila? Baka kala kayo may budget tayo. Go lang! Pick as many, layer as many outfits and pieces as possible. Ayan, nahirapan tayo. Mahirap pala mag-dress up ng mannequin, no? It's a struggle to function pala. But ano yung masasabi mo sa mga struggles in life?
Bigyan lang. Edna lang.
We love it! Okay, so hindi pala tayo bagay sa fashion and retailing, ladies and gentlemen. Struggle po lang ang kanilang mannequin. Kailangan po kasi magtanggal ng arms bago i-akyat yung dress. But we are still waiting for that. Give it up naman kay Miss Belle Mariana. Natutulong tayo. I love it! Thank you so much for helping us really dress up this look. Again, we are looking for a look that is an Erin Cutie. Okay, maybe while we are, ang naman ang set of the test natin, tinanggal na talaga yung arms at binagay na. Okay, for our Erin Cutie fit, Miss Belle, let us listen to what our contestant has picked out for today. So first is this Eran B. I love. Anong Eran? Yan ang Eran natin dito.
Diba? Ang akin dito is very cutesy habang pagkakabukol, ganyan. Diba? I love this too. Because silk siya. It's so nice. I love this. Eran Cutie kasi yung parang slip-on dress lang siya. Ang mabilisan, but it's also giving main character. I love it.
I love na lahat ng main character.
Yes.
Pero gusto ko na ganun ang ako na Eran.
actually from date night.
They actually
So perfect siya for all, and I love this.
And dress up and down with sneakers or with heels. Okay, so go ahead, dress up and And yours, what is your story for this Aaron cutie look?
Of course, I picked the soft blue with a skirt. This is much more giving, and of course, with this wear, you can do lots of errands, which is really so much beautiful.
O ano yung era na i-Aaron natin with this look?
We can go to the market.
Oh, the market. Kasi market attack us. So, let's go to the market. Ay, ang galing mo dyan, ha?
Sobrang put together kahit
Exactly.
sobrang I love the detail ng flowers dito. Meron na akong dito, so I love it. This one's perfect for being an Aaron too.
Yes, very fresh as well. Fresh and frilly. And we're gonna move on to our last one since it's na lang. It is the date night look. So go ahead and look for your date night look, ladies. Actually, parang lahat naman talaga bagay na bagay sila. For the different types of themes, it really depends on how you bring yourself out in this world with your special Shein and Bel Mariana outfit. So yeah, pinipili na po nila. And get ready also after the segment, we will have a short Q&A. So if you have any questions regarding the collections and regarding maybe price point or how she was inspired to create this collection, so ready na po kayo mag-create na po yun ng mga questions while we will answer that in just a few. So ladies, meron na po tayo napili for our date night look. Kasi andito na po ang date natin. Let us showcase, let us showcase the pics that you have from this collection. So this is the first date night. Ang cute na po.
Ang ganda, I love this.
Please explain nasa po yung date natin.
BGC.
Okay, let's go. So sa
Parang
BGC,
doon kami pupunta after.
yes.
Parang doon siya pupunta after. I love this look.
Why did you gravitate towards itong piece?
I love showing the date night with your boyfriend or your girlfriend.
Yes. Or yourself. Ayan, so we have that. And then look at this side also. Parang pwede mong style and wrap depending on how you want. So go ahead.
Pwede mo siyang ribbon.
A ribbon or flowers depending on what you want. So go ahead and dress your mannequin. Love that look, love that piece. And finally, napiligan ako. Come on now, don't be shy. Ito yung pinili mo for your date night, ano? Bakit po ito yung look?
Honestly, the way that I see it, she's very elegant.
Ayoko na mag-host. Okay lang din na ako. But ang ganda, I can just say very comfy siya.
True, di ba? Ang ganda rin sa kunyari, holding hands while walking face to face. Yes!
Yan pa yung inspiration mo when creating. I love it that there are movie scenes. playing
Diba? It's so
together.
nice because you get to visualize all these things when you look at the dress.
Correct. So go ahead and dress that up. And I love na we have also, again, all our looks ready. So while we help you girls do that, don't worry, we'll have someone also assist you then for your date night look. Let's have all the girls here up on stage and we want to thank them all. Okay lang, we'll help you here. Ako naman bibihis sa kanila. Please come here in the center and ring the bell. Let's have a photo with all our participants. Sana may, I wanted to ask Anna who's her favorite dub. I feel like they all deserve a win.
Perfect lahat ng pinili ko.
Correct.
And I think everyone, as in lahat ng dito, you can wear it for all three. You can wear this one for date night. It really goes well. And I think that's what I love about this collection.
And it is, and it really truly showed in this challenge. So Lisa, and also our contestants, maybe please step in the center of the stage so we have a proper photo with everybody who participated in this event. Let's have a photo with all our Shein fans and Bel Mariana fans as well, playing our fashion roulette game.